Here I have Google Nest Hub Max, and today I'm going to show you how to cast your screen to this device. So firstly you will have to Google Home app on the device to which your hub is connected, then access your hub through this device, and here you have to select an option Cast My Screen, and then tap Cast Screen, and as you can see now I can cast my screen from my phone to my hub. And the same way you can stop mirroring. That's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.